Hey guys, welcome back to the new vlog. I hope you all are doing fine. Chandan and few of our friends have planned a trip to Lake Tahoe. It's 8:45 in the morning. Now we'll be picking our friends on our way. It's going to be a fun trip, so don't go anywhere and stay with us. We picked up Rohit, Ritu, Preetham and Nikhil on our way. We all went in our car and Lohit and Shelly in Lohit's car with all our luggages. We picked our lunch from our favorite place, Atmi's Mediterranean restaurant at South Lake Tahoe, and now we are on our way to Air BnB. Enjoy the tour of this beautiful house which has this rustic and modern look. It's time for lunch, the best fries ever. We decided to play some board games all evening as most of us were tired to step out. I would highly recommend our favorite game to all of you. It's called Ticket to Ride. I'm sure most of you already know about it, and for others who are always interested to try something new, then go for it. Best game to play with your family and friends.
चीटिंग है ये तो ब्रो
किसी ने नहीं बांध रहे लोग।
What's your favorite board game? Do let me know in the comments down below.
Freak, I cannot risk it. Biscuit.
So we guys are preparing today's dinner and it's Chandan's special dish and that's
pasta.
yeah. What did you do, Preetham?
I just chopped zucchini and
What about these cherry tomatoes?
I wasn't asked to chop that.
Oh yeah, we need those as well.
Yeah. Good morning guys. We had heavy dinner last night and went to bed. The weather is just perfect for skiing, so we are planning to ski today. Rohit is cleaning utensils. We are having a breakfast. This is Nikhil who's always thirsty. Hope you enjoyed watching this episode. Wait for the next one because it's going to be really interesting as few of us are skiing for the first time. Don't forget to like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do it right away as you know it motivates me to create new content for all of you. Thanks for watching.